हेलो प्यारे बच्चों, तो आज हम सीखेंगे ABCD। तो आइए पहले जानते हैं कलर नेम। पिंक कलर, ब्राउन कलर, रेड कलर, ब्लू कलर, येलो कलर, ग्रीन कलर एंड ब्लैक कलर। तो आइए सीखते हैं ABCD। ब्लू कलर, A for apple, A for apple. Green color, B for ball, B for ball. आगे क्या है बच्चों? C for cat, C for cat. Black color, D for dog, D for dog. E for elephant, E for elephant. F for fish, F for fish. G for grapes, G for grapes. H for hand, H for hand. I for ice cream, I for ice cream. J for jug, J for jug. K for kite, K for kite. L for lion, L for lion. M for monkey, M for monkey. आगे क्या आएगा बच्चों? N for nest, N for nest. O for orange, O for orange. P for parrot, P for parrot. Q for queen, Q for queen. R for rabbit, R for rabbit. S for sheep, S for sheep. T for tiger, T for tiger. U for umbrella, U for umbrella. V for van, V for van. W for watch, W for watch. X for xylophone, X for xylophone. Y for yug, Y for yug. Z for zebra, Z for zebra.